Good morning, everybody. Here to dye up another t-shirt for you. It's been soaking in our soda ash, our sodium carbonate, for the last 30 minutes or so. We're gonna twist it up and throw some color on it. Come along for the ride. What do you have planned for this one?
This one is gonna be like we call it a zigzag, but I don't think.
A zigzag.
There we go. I don't know if other people call it that. I've seen people call it a wig-wag, zigzag.
Wigwam, all sorts of good stuff. A classic. Horizontally pleated up, as we see. Got a nice pleat going on there. Oh, while I'm thinking about it, the YouTube notification system. I know I'm just throwing random facts at you at this point in time, but the deal with it is, and what we've been told, is that if we upload more than once every 48 hours, they're gonna come in pairs like that. It doesn't matter if we turn the premieres off, whatever, you'll get a notification saying we've uploaded 2 videos instead of 1. And since we upload every day, sometimes even, you know, like only 22 hours apart instead of 24, you're gonna get the double notifications. I guess it's better than the triple we were doing when we had the premieres, but I don't know. I'll still do premieres on the reveals. That way people that have watched the dyeing video will get the reminder for the premiere and all that. But I'm not gonna do premieres for the dyeing videos anymore, just to try to slim down the amount of notifications, man. And the thing is, I can't turn them off. Like, I can't make it, I need to make it where you get none at all or that level, so I'm very sorry about it. It bothers me too. It has since it first started, but there's nothing we can do. Got a good horizontal pleat going on, all the way up, done with nice love and care. Beautiful, beautiful pleat. Hard to do with oversized gloves too, people. Let me tell you, I couldn't do that. It's like you're pleating your gloves and the shirt at the same time. Every time you want to make a pleat.
Okay.
She's a professional at it. I don't mind. It's only soda ash. It's only salt. Get it banded up. Band for the very end. There's a band for the end. And some mid bands. Secure your sleeves from coming undone, obviously. And as you see, folks, you can reuse your rubber bands Pretty much indefinitely. Till they snap,
I was
at
about to
least.
say, they'll get old.
Yeah, eventually they do break, but you can reuse them until they break. You get way more uses out of them than you would think. Look at that. Beautiful. One more for the middle. Oh, no, very well
I'm just
bent.
gonna move this one over a little bit.
Just get a little slide on that one.
I'm trying to get it as even as possible.
I see.
Beautiful. I think this might have been the best pleat I've ever done.
Oh.
Okay, let's get my hair out of my face.
Then go
Alright.
to the dyeing rack.
Let's go.
So big, I can hardly keep it all on the camera. Massive tie-dye.
This is a large, so.
Large. It's not even that big of a shirt. Well, not compared to what we've been doing, at least. We've been trying to fill out the larger shirts on our website. Also, we're about to be making a move when it comes to selling the shirts. We're still gonna sell on Etsy a little bit for a little while, but if you didn't know, that's never been our main place that we sell these shirts. That's just been kind of like how we sell them for people that ask online. But we're about to make a huge leap in that. The recent increase in the Etsy seller fees has made us decide to go ahead and pull the trigger. So, big announcement probably coming in the next 2 weeks on that. Shirts are still going to be the same low price, but the shipping is probably about to get cheaper for you. So overall, the shirts will be cheaper. And we'll make more. Everyone will win. Because we do not upcharge on the shipping. We just don't offer cheap shipping because of the unreliableness, I guess you would say, of it. We use express shipping, so you get your shirt in 2 to 3 days and it costs $8 instead of it only costing $3 and you maybe not ever getting your shirt or getting it in a week. And that way, if you want more than one shirt, we don't have to spend, it doesn't cost more to ship them. We can just ship 2 shirts for $8. Giant shirt. You never realize how wide a shirt is till you fold it out and pleat it horizontally like that. A lot of material goes into a t-shirt. Here's something running in the woods over there. A critter of some kind.
I hear it as well.
Sounds of the city here, people. Look at that beautiful green that creates. Oh man. I love that tricolor pattern. That's like my favorite.
And we'll try it on the bottom side too.
I like being creative with it. I think that's our name. You can tell because it's the Mustang that doesn't sound all crappy. I'm not gonna lie, man. I'm not a fan of Mustangs, but that's a cool one. It's a stick shift. It's done tastefully and just nice. Yeah, it's just a good car, man. I'm not a Mustang fan, but if I was gonna have one, I'd want it to be one like that. Yeah, it's a little loud, but it sounds good. I don't care what anybody says. What color is that?
This is turquoise.
So we have turquoise, dragon fruit. What yellow?
Golden yellow.
Golden yellow. That's the only 3 on this one?
That's it.
So all told on this one, we have turquoise, dragon fruit, and golden yellow. Classic tricolor on a wonderful horizontal zigzag pleat.
Not quite sure how this one's gonna turn out.
Yeah, we'll see.
We gotta turn it over now.
All right, time for the flop.
Okay.
We do the. Got a nice flop.
I use dragon fruit.
Dragon fruit. We love the dragon fruit.
Okay, let's try this again. I don't know if this is even gonna work.
Oh yeah. We'll end up with a really cool pattern. We have plenty more. Don't worry, people. A giant golden yellow. The giant golden yellow appears. Dun, dun, dun. Wonderful, wonderful tricolor. I love the tricolors. This is a cool pattern. What are we doing?
I gotta put more in this bottle so I can control it better.
Just swap. Oh, yeah, I guess you can't swap caps on those. Wah, 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 wah. Gotta have that precision tip. To the drying rack.
I'm filling just a couple spots with
Hit it right there with the yellow too. That's the only bare spot I see on it actually. You're pretty well covered. Beautiful, beautiful tie-dye.
Alright.
To the drying rack we go. Oh yeah, it's gonna be beautiful. Let's go.
I'm just gonna have to run, so you just gotta follow me.
You're running for it. Oh Lord. Alrighty, top shelf for a premium tie-dye where it will sit for the next 24 hours until we're ready to rinse it on out. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We will see y'all tomorrow.